Hey guys, this is Isaiah here at IW Trailers Knoxville. Just kind of want to show you guys some of the progressions and some of the advancements Diamond C's made over the years with their jacks. The first jack I want to show you guys is this 12,000 pound Sidewind Jack. This is the jack that Diamond C's been using for years. It works fine. It's a 1-speed jack. Now let's test it out real quick. All right, as we move on, we move to this new 2-speed jack that comes standard on some of Diamond C's more heavy-duty bumper pulls. For example, their HDT, LPX, and LPT. Like I said earlier, this thing's a 2-speed jack, so it does have a high speed and low speed. It's definitely smooth. Let's test it out real quick. Man, that's super simple, one hand, both on the low speed and the high speed. The high speed gets a touch more difficult, but it also moves 2 times faster. All right, guys, the last thing I want to show you is this hydraulic jack. It's a 20K hydraulic jack that comes straight from Lippert. It's super simple, super easy, it's effortless. You can be sitting in your truck, talking on the phone, and you can be raising and lowering this jack, raising and lowering the dump bed. Let me show you guys how this works. And as you guys can see, I'm holding this tough wireless remote, which makes the total difference. If you want any more information about these jacks, please visit diamondc.com. And we'll see you on the road.